I get this question a lot, and I always avoid answering it because it's so general that there is no way I could possibly give you an answer without knowing more details about the business that you're in. But what I have noticed is there is a pattern of those that ask this question. So now I have more information to answer the question, but you're going to be surprised by the answer. And the question is, how can I get my first sale? Now, you're probably thinking I'm going to tell you what to do and where to go and who to pitch to get them to buy your products or services. And I'm not. What I'm going to do is show you the reason why you're not getting sales. And that's because it's usually on social media. And when I go to your profile page, there's nothing there, or there's nothing there about your business. And it's always everything other than what you sell and what you're trying to get a first sale on. So that's the problem. You need to first tell us what you're selling. What are you selling? I can't buy it from you if I don't know what you do. If I go to your page and see pictures of your dog or your camping trip, I have no idea what it is that you want me to be interested in and buy. So that's the first problem. The second is if you're going to start a business and be serious about it because you want me to go in my pocket and give you my money so that you can make a sale, then that means you probably need to create a business profile page exclusively for your business. We want to buy what you're selling. That's what you want us to do. So your business profile page is going to be the start, the introduction to what you are offering. And then next, promote, promote, promote. When you promote, you're telling people that you have something for sale. If you don't market your business, no one knows that you exist. And that's another reason why you're not getting your first sale. Promoting yourself means creating some form of content, whether it's social media posts in groups so that you can engage, or whether you're creating blog content, or video content, tweets, DMs, whatever the case may be. You're making a connection between those that you think want to buy what you're selling and your product. And lastly, you want to make sure that the entire buying, selling process is seamless. We don't want to do the work. We don't want to hunt you down. We don't want to have to guess and figure out. If you're going to be in business, your profile page, your website, and every other piece of content that you put out there for us to consume should answer all of our questions. We shouldn't have to call you or DM you or email you for anything. If you want us to buy this thing, tell us about the thing. Tell us everything about the thing, what it is, why it works, why I need it, how it will be beneficial, how much it'll cost, if you ship it, do I need to come pick it up? Are you going to deliver it to me? And when? That's how you get your first sale. I hope this helps.